print is done. Check it out. If you can't, can you figure out what that is even with the supports on it? It's a dino egg with a dinosaur breaking out of it. Well, let's pull this out here. And let's reset this up. Alright, so we're going to peel them off of here. Arm isn't in the way. Lay it underneath like we always do. Push that under. And get rid of the blade. Put that back in there. Now this base is getting a little beat up. The bed here. About time to probably start ordering a new one. Sticky part. I'll pop off in a minute. There we go. Ta-da! And there we go. Alright, we'll get to that in a second here. Right. Okay, now back. Alright. We got them here. Take the parts off. Now there's some spots inside. Oh no! I just broke I just broke the claw. Alright. I just glued the hand or the finger back on. I broke the finger off. It's probably even better than it was before. Now, because I printed him hollow, so I forgot all about it. It seems to be pretty good now. So I got to take the rest of this off. And then I got to work inside here a little bit. Okay, so there it is, a little bit better than it was. And there's still a little bit more take off, but you get the idea of it. And then I'll do a video of it painted, and then I'll show you when it's all painted up. Okay, so before we paint it, we have to install the eye with UV glue, which is a rosin, and a purple light, which will actually seal it in and cure the rosin. So in this part here, this is exactly what I'm doing. I know it's probably a little part, well, it's a longer, well, not a longer part of the video, but it's long. But it's, people want to see how the eyes are installed. So here we go. And there's your eyes installed. And now I can show you the paint. All right. Well, we got the raptor being born out of the egg here. Now, you've got this color here is part of the red that I did to make it look a little bit bloody. And we added, of course, this yellow here. And I also have this. It's like a yellowy, I don't know what the heck. It's a yellowy color anyway. Can you read that? There you go. So, and then the white, and again, the glass eyes are in there. And we got a little bit more work to do. And this one here is actually, I'm going to try to experiment with it and put in some gooey and running pieces that are running down the egg and stuff like that. So there you go. I think it's looking really cool. What do you think? So I mixed up some pigment with some rosin, and I'm going to make some blood or fake blood that goes down the shell from the dino egg to make it look more realistic. So I just squeeze a little bit into the container, and then I add some pigment, yellow and some red, and then I drip it on, and then I take the UV light right here, and then actually I put it in the big UV light to cure it all. And yeah, so well, here I thought it'd be really cool to show you all the angles instead of cut in and cut out. That way you can see exactly what's going on. This was a great project, and I know there's not a lot of video for it because I did it as a short at the beginning, but anyway, I'm glad you stuck around and enjoy the rest of the video. And check out the channel. Check out what else I have. I have some dino videos, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And hey, mention in the comment what you'd like me to make next, or something that's has been on your interest. Maybe you're not a 3D printer. Maybe you'd like to see something printed and painted. Let me know. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on the Raptor hatch. And if you feel like it, like and subscribe. Have a great day.